Imaging Solution pays Heartiest tributes to the woman leaders on the International Women's Day. HP harnesses enterprise color quality printing to power small businesses. GG offers patented ink maintenance box for Epson C9387PX-MB11. Epson unveils Label Boost software, transforming shipping labels into colorful marketing tools. Kyocera launches new Inkjet Printhead KJ4BEX1200RC with ink recirculation. ColorJet to power FESPA Global Print Expo 2024 with its green tech solutions. Memjet announces just-in-time capability for Duraflex. Ninestar and GG Defy US ban, continue selling new compatible brother toners in the US. Canon releases compact multifunctional printer. Zhono releases patented chip solution for Ricoh Copiers. For more information please visit www.imagingsolution.in.